Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to share some of the underrated products that I think deserve more attention. So let's start. The first one is called N Beauty Sinner Lip Scrub. This is 2-in-1 lip mask as well as scrub in one, and it's a 100% natural product which works on my textured lips and I really love it. Second is the Mars base. This is a highlighting makeup base which works so amazingly on my skin. Look at that beautiful glow, and it works with so many makeup looks, and it's a dupe of MAC strobe. Definitely give it a try. Then comes the Savannah baked eyeshadow. Oh my god, look at that pigmentation. In just one swipe you get so much color and such a beautiful universal shade for my skin tone. Definitely give it a try guys, you will fall in love with Savannah. Then the next one is Miss Claire. I know their lip creams are popular, but look at this foundation. This is their everyday foundation which is pocket friendly and gives really amazing coverage, and they have 16 shades. The next one is from Miss Claire. This is their matte lip color. This is called shade 03. Look at this beautiful pink shade, so gorgeous, and with a brown lip liner this stays on your lips for a really long time. It has moussey texture and I really love using it and mixing it with different shades. Last but not the least, this is in color eyeliner. This is in brown shade, and guys, it's really good, affordable, and on Amazon you will see so many reviews. And that's all. If you want a part 2, let me know.